Hi everyone! I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. So the other day I picked up the Monopoly game at Dollar Tree, and then when I had it, I decided that it'd be really cute to make a junk journal out of. So then I said I wanted to go get the other game boards that they had, and I went to a different location and I basically hit the jackpot. The lady told me that the only one I was missing was Candyland and Monopoly, but I told her I had bought Monopoly last week. So now I'm basically just missing Candyland. So I'm going to have to go look for that one. But here's all the ones that I did find. So they have Trouble. They have Battleships. Oh, I ended up with 2 Troubles. I don't know how I did that. Shoots and Ladder. Guess Who. And then they have Monopoly. And then, like I said, I'm just missing Candyland. So I'm going to go look for those. I think that's going to be so fun to turn into a junk journal. And then they had, I'll show you right here. See, look. These were on clearance for $1.25. And the lady told me apparently it's at all locations because it's in their system. So if you find these 3D sticker stories, pick them up and just have them scan it. And if it's not $1.25, then just tell them, never mind, you changed your mind. So I got these because there was a sign that said that they were 50 cents. So once I realized that they're $1.25, I kind of wish that I would have got the rest of them, but I didn't. And I didn't want to get back in line. So they have Disney princesses. They have Frozen. They have Stitch. They have Mickey that's like in space. And then they have Jurassic Park dinos. You guys know I love my dinos. So those were the only ones that I found. Like I said, if I would have known that they were only $1.25, I would have definitely bought them all out. But that's okay, you know, if I go back, you know, sometime soon and they still have some, I'll pick them up, you know, give somebody else the opportunity to go ahead and buy those. So, let's see what else. Oh my gosh. New item, so stinking cute. Look at these Nomi homies. So, here's his hat. It's a little starfish. And then he's got his cool little sunglasses. He's drinking his little pineapple drink. And he's got his little chanclas on ready for the beach and summer. Isn't he so cute? I love it. And then here is our other little Nomi guy. So he's ready to go snorkeling. I kind of want to glue the mouthpiece down because it does move. So I kind of want to glue that right here. And then he's got his little flamingo inner tube. And then he's got his little flippers. These are so stinking cute. I was kind of thinking about asking my mom to like sew like a little hook so I can hang them up on the wall. If not, I'll just put them like on our little TV entertainment center. But yeah, I think this would be cuter just like hanging up because I do have like a summer gnome little board that I got last year. And let's see, what else do I have in here? Oh, okay, so I've watched this really cute little like junk journal folio. I don't remember what the lady called it, but I thought it was so cute and such a good idea. And she just used regular file folders. So when you go, they have 2 different kinds, so you just need to pay attention. So the first one I picked up was from Jot, but there was only a 6 count, and it was the exact same thing. And then I went around like the corner and on an end cap, they had these. So I feel like they're starting to bring out like school supply stuff. And that's where the end cap was that had these. And these have 12. So it's exact same price. So just check your pack and make sure you get the one with the most. And then they did have like pattern folders, but I think you got 5. So I was like, no, I definitely rather take the 12 and just use up my stash because I had picked these up from Temu and I already feel like I need to back them because they're just really thin. They're slightly thicker than printer paper, but not super thick. So this is going to be great, I think, to go ahead and cut these and then back it on here and then make like a little folio album out of. So that was my idea for these. So if it works, I'll definitely share with you guys. But yeah, just be on the lookout for that in case you're interested. Make sure you get the 12 pack, not the 6. And let's see. Oh, they had graduation of 4th of July. I was kind of going to film in store, but then when I got there, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it. I was feeling kind of shy, like kind of embarrassed, you know, because it was pretty busy. So maybe if I go anytime soon and I get the nerve, I'll go ahead and record in store because they had a lot of new stuff. So they had 4th of July already. So I got one of these little Nomi Homie towels. They had graduation. Oh my gosh, the graduation stuff was so cute. I wish I knew somebody that was graduating. They have these little tags for you to like leave a wish and like words of wisdom for the graduate. I thought that was so cute. And then they had like little cupcake toppers that said like class of 2023. Oh, so nice. So cute. So yeah, if I get up the nerve, I'll go back and I'll record. I'll see, you know, if it's a good day. So let's see. I just got some regular gardening gloves. We've had so much rain here in California lately that my yard looks like a jungle. It really does. So my little garden area is full of weeds. It's embarrassing how bad it looks. So I got these. And then when I was in line, I'm like, why did I get white? They're going to turn like black and muddy in no time at all. I should have probably got like some dark blue ones, but yeah, they just had these. And then there was like a dark blue one and it had like a hole in it. That's why I didn't get those. But I'm like, in the end, I should have got it because they're going to get all holy and messed up anyway. So, oh well. And then Sunny Boy asked me for some body wash. Now, I have not seen this one before. Maybe it's something they have all the time, but this one's huge. You get 24 ounces and it smells pretty good. Definitely smells like coconut. So hopefully he'll like that one. And oh, he wanted some markers. He said that his metallic red and blue had run out of ink. And I didn't find a red, but I did find a blue. So I got him that one. And then he loves like the scenty little anything like pens, pencils, markers, whatever they have. He loves those. So I found these two. I don't know if they have any other ones, but I thought I'd go ahead and pick those up for him. Oh, duh. Here we go. Right on the back, it shows you what else is available, but I only found 2 of the 4. So if I find the other ones, I'll definitely pick those up for him. And then maybe I can find a red marker. Oh, over back in the kids stuff, I got these for that same junk journal that I'm going to do over here with all of those different game boards. So I got these little like mini Uno cards. I got one to keep to play with and then one for my junk journal. My nephews love playing with the little like Uno cards. And then they have this one that I did not know what it is. Low Down Go. No idea. Gonna have to look that up. So again, one to keep and play with and then one for the junk journal. And they had different paint that I had not seen before. This rich art paint. I have never seen this in my store. This is the one that they usually have, which is this one right here. So I used this the other day to paint on paper to make it have like that like vintage look instead of using my ink. So I wanted to get a white to kind of just do the same thing, kind of like wash out the brightness of the paper. So I'm going to try this one and we will see how this works out. You know, how many ounces is in the other one? Let me see. So this one has 6 ounces. This one comes with, 8 ounces. So this one's actually technically the better deal because you get 2 more ounces. But yeah, I wanted to give this one a go because like I said, I had not seen that one before. So we'll just see how that works out. And almost done here. I found a little piggy. So of course I had to get that for Sunny Boy. It's from Super Pets. So he's going to love that. And then I was trying to do my wax seals the other day. And I feel like the tea lights I have must be too old because it's just not burning correctly. And it's not making my wax hot enough to melt. So I needed to pick something up. So I got pomegranate. But then I was like, okay, how long will this honestly last me? So I'm not quite sure. So they had these also. So I'm hoping that it will fit over my little holder that I have. So I got both just to go. It probably would have been cheaper to go to Walmart, honestly, for those little candles. But I was already there and I didn't feel like going to another store. So it is what it is. I got those. And fabric. They have so many new fabrics there. They had burlap that looked like this, like rolled up, that I kind of wanted to get. But I'm like, what am I going to do with it? And I'm supposed to be good and not be buying extra stuff right now just because it's new and cute. So I left those, but this one I could not leave behind, which I'm sure you guys know why. How cool is that pig right there? She is so sassy. She is so cool. I'm going to say that's me. Then we have a little heifer cow over here with the little like earrings in their ear. I was just like blown away. I'm like, this is the cutest fabric ever. Look at that little horse. They got a bunny, a dog, a llama, little monkey, a giraffe, a tiger. this thing is just awesome. I love it so much. I thought it was so cute. So I could not leave that one. And this one is 18 by 21. So yeah, I needed that. What I'm going to do with it, I have no idea, but I will figure it out. And then the last item I did get was a bag. So this was over in the 4th of July area. And as soon as my mom saw it, she was like, oh, I want one. And I'm like, well, you can go ahead and have this one. So it is, kind of get it in the frame here. It is a little Nomi Homie bag. There we go. So this guy's got a pie. She's got her little like lemonade, and then this guy over here is just holding the flag. So I thought that was really cute, so I definitely had to grab that one. So that's my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.